Okay, so I'm going to go through, this will be the first question for your segment and angle substitution proofs worksheet. I know a lot of people are struggling with it today, so if you need to watch these videos to figure it out, please do that, or if you need to come talk to me, we can work through them too. The big thing to remember is that these are just like yesterday, and it seemed like everybody did okay with those, except there's just 2 additional steps on the end. So let's just go through the whole proof though. So we start with our given. Excuse my terrible handwriting on the iPad. Alright, so the first ones are given. Second step, segment addition postulate. We know that, so we take AB plus BC equals AC. So that would be the segment addition post. Third step, we need to substitute. So AB is 2x plus 2. BC is 2x plus 10. And AC is 6x. When I saw some people messing up today, it was actually that they just plugged in the wrong stuff. So make sure you're plugging in the right stuff that's in the given. Fourth step, I'm going to simplify. There's many ways you could have done this. You could have subtracted your x's over. That would have been fine, but I'm just going to simplify. So I get 4x plus 12 equals 6x. Okay, now I'm going to subtract my 4x over. So I'm going to get 12 equals 2x. So the subtraction prob. Okay, now we need to divide. So normally here we would end with the symmetric property and be done. You don't even need to do the symmetric property here, but if you did, that wouldn't be wrong. So we get division prop. Now, here's the part that we added today. So it says that we need to prove that AC is 36. So what we need to do is we need to take the AC part of the given and plug in our x. So back down here. So our AC is 6x, so I'm going to write AC equals 6 times our x, which is 6. So that would be a substitution prop again. Now my last step is just simplify, because I'm going to make AC equal 36. So I just simplify on the same side the equal sign, so that would be simplify. Okay, let's go through the second one of our substitution worksheet. So we know we write down the given first. Once again, excuse my penmanship on the iPad. Even though I have this nice stylus, it really just looks bad when I write on here. Okay. Second step, we know we need to use the angle addition postulate. Okay, so we're going to do M angle JKM plus M angle MKL equals M angle JKL. Okay, if these two are switched around, that is totally fine. Third step, let's substitute in. So JKM is this, so we're going to take 5x minus 10 plus MKL, which is the second one, 3x plus 20 equals JKL, which is the last one. Seems like when people are actually messing these up, they're substituting in the wrong stuff. So make sure you're being careful when you substitute in. Alright, fourth step, I'm going to simplify. You wouldn't have to if you didn't want to. If you want to subtract and add stuff to each side of the equation, that would be fine. Okay, my fifth step, I'm going to subtract the 6x over first. You could subtract the 10, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you're only doing one thing at a time. Okay, I'm now going to subtract my 10 over, so I get 2x equals 20. Subtraction prop again. And to solve for x, I need to divide. So x equals 10. Now here is the new part we learned today. So our proof says we need to prove that JKM is 40 degrees. So what we need to do is take the JKM part up here, because that's what it says we need to prove, and put that in for the substitution. So I'm going to move this back down. So you'd write measure of angle JKM equals whatever the JKM part was. So that would be our top and our given up here. So 5 times our x, which is 10, minus 10, because that's what this whole piece up here is. And that would be the substitution prop. That was the new stuff we were doing today. Now our last step would be to simplify. So 5 times 10 is 50, minus 10 is 40. Okay, so now you can see that our last piece here, oh, I got to write simplify. Our last piece now matches this piece that we have here. So be careful when you're substituting back in that you're substituting in for the right piece and you're not just picking this last one like it seems like people like to do.